Okay, so Abhimanyu is showing his clock. So between 9 and 10, you can see small divisions. How many small divisions are there? How many lines, small lines are there or dots?
Ma'am, dots
Ma'am,
4.
ma'am, 3.
Oh,
Ma'am, 16.
ma'am, dots 4
1,
है.
Ma'am,
2,
15.
3, 4, 5. That means when the minute hand is on 9, how much minute is it? 45? Yes.
Ma'am,
And then the minute hand is also between 9 and 10 or between any two numbers. There are small division in between those two numbers. So how you are going to tell the time? You will count 45, then this one is 46, then 47. So the time is 10:47. How you are going to do 45? Then how many divisions are there? On which on which line is the minute hand? 1, 2, how many? Two numbers. So you will add it and 47. By this you will get time. So the time is 10:47. How you are going to tell it? I have told you that when half time is passed, after that you will tell time the minutes which are left to next hour. So how many minutes are left? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Yes, Natik. Yes, Natik. 2.
47.
No. 1 hour is equal to how much minutes?
60 minutes. 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Mute yourself. Yes, mute
Ma'am, the
yourself.
answer is 60 minutes.
So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. How many minutes are passed? 47. How much is left? What you will do? 60 minus 47. So how much minutes are left? 13 minutes. So how will you tell time now? 13 minutes to next hour is 11. The hour hand is near to which number? 11. 13 minutes to 11. Now is it clear how you will tell time when half time is
Yes, ma'am.
passed? Clear?
60 minutes is left.
Yes, ma'am.
13 minutes. Now tell me yes. Mute yourself. The time right now is 10:53. How will you tell time? What time is it?
7 minutes
Yes.
to become 11.
To become
No.
Digvijay, to become, you will not say to become. 7 minutes to 11. Like this. Clear? To become nahi hoga. You will not say to become. 7 minutes,
Ma'am,
minutes which are left.
7 minutes
Next.
Ma'am, 6 minutes to 11.
Yes, now the time is 6 minutes to 11. Good, Vartika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now let's do use of AM and PM. So those who have not done exercise 13.1, you will do today itself in your book only. No need to do in your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Naisha. Okay, now use of AM and PM. So yesterday in previous class we have discussed the full form of AM and PM. Who will tell me full form of AM?
Ma'am, AM is equal to anti-meridian and PM is equal to anti-meridian.
Post meridian. Open your maths notebook. Note down in your notebook use of AM and PM. So AM stands for anti meridian. PM stands for post meridian.
Excuse me, ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, you have to write this in your notebook. Okay, yes, have you written? Now write this also. The hour hand goes twice round the dial in a day. So this means that in a day, how many rounds the hour hand takes? 2 rounds. How many rounds? 2 rounds. So right now the time is 11. Yes?
58.
So yes, 10:58. So it is in morning. The time 10:58 is in the morning. In morning you all are taking class. Yes? So by this situation, suppose I'm asking that the children are taking class at 10:59 or say suppose 11, say 11. And then I'm asking that what you will write after 11 o'clock, AM or PM, what you will write?
AM, ma'am.
Why? Because the,
It
yes,
is before noon.
yes, because before noon also, and you all take your class in morning, yes? Not in night. Yes, children. So after
Excuse
11,
me, ma'am.
11 will, yes, Aviral.
Ma'am, the PM full form is post meridian.
Yes, the PM full form is post meridian.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
It's your use for telling time. Yes, Naisha.
Ma'am, yesterday we were doing something usual than like something notes we were doing.
Yes, what, Naisha?
Ma'am, the notes we were doing I have not completed, so can you please send in the group?
Yesterday, I have not given any notes.
Ma'am, we were writing. Usually there are 3 hands in the clock, hour hand, minute hand.
Okay, okay. Okay, Nasha, I will send it. Okay, okay. That I will send. So the hour hand goes twice round the dial in a day. That means 11 o'clock. It takes place in morning also and in night also. So right now the time is 11 o'clock. Exact 11 o'clock. So 11 o'clock in the morning. You don't have to write this. And 11 o'clock in
Ma'am, write in your notebook. To write
night. In the night. No, this you don't have to write. So in night also 11 o'clock hota and in morning also. So how you will tell that what you will write? How you will tell the time is of morning or night?
Ma'am, by putting AM and
Ma'am,
PM.
by AM and
Yes.
PM.
Yes.
AM.
Yes, beta. That's why we use AM and PM to tell the time of morning that the thing is happened in morning. You will write AM. To tell that the thing is happened in night, you will write PM. Okay. By this, you will tell time that it's 11 o'clock. 11:01 AM. Now the time is 11:02. So you will write like this 11:02 AM. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now one
Yes,
more
ma'am.
thing. Make two small clocks.
Ma'am, copy. Ma'am,
Yes,
page like this page only.
in the same page. If you have space,
Ma'am?
so in the same page, otherwise you can make on different page.
How many clocks?
Wait, I'm telling you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, beta.
मैम हमें इसे कलर भी करना है.
Yes, you can color it.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to draw a clock.
Yes, you have to
एक
draw
पेज
a
पे
clock.
दोनों नहीं आएंगे.
Ma'am, how many clocks? Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am, मेरे एक पेज पे दोनों नहीं आएंगे.
So beta, you can make the other clock on the other page, on the next page. In one clock, you will write 11. In the morning. And on the you will write
Ma'am,
11.
some internet problem, so please send on the group also.
Okay, I will send.
Excuse me, ma'am. I used
You
to
have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes. Draw it quickly. If you don't have page, if you don't have enough space, make it on next page. But you have to make it parallel. Ishan, what happened? Why you are not doing work?
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I make in one.
Okay, don't tell me.
Ma'am, I have. Ma'am.
Write this also after making clock. AM is used for time between 12 o'clock midnight and 12 o'clock noon. PM is used for time between 12 o'clock noon and 12 o'clock midnight. So class, we know that a day starts at 12 o'clock midnight and a day ends also at 12 o'clock midnight. Yes? So we can say that from one midnight to next midnight is called a day. Yes? True or false? From one midnight to next midnight is equal to one day. Yes, true. After writing this, open your book, page number 142. So children, we will not write AM, we will not use AM and PM after 12. Sorry, for 12. 12 o'clock, we will write if the time is of afternoon, we will say 12 noon, 12 o'clock noon. And in night, we will say 12 o'clock midnight. You will not write AM or PM.
PM is used.
How many of you have written this in your notebook? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Mute yourself and raise your hand.
Not done.
Those who have not done, you have only 2 minutes. Do it quickly. Okay, Ananya will tell me the time. Ananya, are you there? Ananya, if you are there, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, your mic was off. Ma'am, your mic was off.
Okay, Shashvi, you tell me the time. Right now the time is 11:10. How will you tell? Yes, Yes, Shashvi. Who will tell me? Okay, Ishan is raising his hand. Yes, Ishan.
The time is 11 past 11.
Okay. Yes. So the time is 11 past 11. Good. Have you written? Now open your page number 142.
No, ma'am.
Schools opens at, now you can see clocks are there.
But I can't see.
Open page number 142. Open page number 142. Then you will see. So the time in the clock is 7 o'clock. Now you have to tell what you will write, AM or PM. And the situation is given below. School opens at 7 o'clock. Yes, Swati. Yes.
Page number.
142. Yes, Swati.
Ma'am, I have done.
Page number 142.
Yes, ma'am. First question I have done.
Okay. Okay. School opens at 7 o'clock. AM or PM? Yes. Good. Good.
AM.
Next. Okay. Next. Break. Listen, class. You will raise a hand. Or now let me disable your mic. I will ask. Yes, Aisha. Break time at school. Aisha, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Break time at school. You can see the clock in your book. The time is 11:20. So what you will write? AM or PM?
Ma'am, AM.
Good. Yes, Anvi,
Thank you,
next school closes. The time is, what is the time?
Ma'am, 1:30.
Will you say 1:30? How will you say time?
1:30 AM.
अनवी AM तो बेटा वो मिडनाइट के बाद हो जाएगा आफ्टर 12.
1:30 PM, sorry.
But how will you say 1:30? How will you tell time? Half past 1. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will come, AM or PM?
Ma'am, PM.
Good. So your school closes at 1:30 PM. Okay, next, Janvi, you tell me. I go to play at right time.
Ma'am,
also.
5:30.
But in the watch, in the clock, what is the time?
Ma'am, 5:40
Yes, 5:40 AM or PM?
PM. Ma'am,
PM.
PM.
40 minutes past.
Okay, now next. Now next, mute yourself.
20 minutes
Okay,
past
click.
6.
Ankita Ray. Ruchi gets up in the morning at 6:10 AM or PM?
AM.
Good. Abhimanyu, Vinu eats her lunch at 1:15. Abhimanyu, unmute yourself. Okay, Mansi, you tell me. Vinu eats her lunch at 1:15 AM or PM?
Ma'am, PM.
Good. Okay, next. Meghna. Ankita, wait. Meghna,
Yes, ma'am.
mute yourself. The sun sets at 5:40 a.m. or p.m.
A, ma'am.
a.m. sun sets. Beta,
PM,
Meghna,
ma'am.
listen it carefully. I am saying sunset, sunrise nahi. The sun sets
PM.
at, yes. So in the evening sun sets, yes. So you will write PM. Now next, Priyansh. Alicia went to London in the night at 3:20. What will it? Beta, night 3:20.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes. After midnight. After 12 midnight, you will write AM till 12 noon. The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, you will write AM. Okay, clear? So the time, ye 3:20 better night. That means early morning. Yes. Now next, Rahul eats his dinner at
Your
10:30.
screen is not see.
I'm PM.
I have not shared my screen.
Our screen is not found.
Who is saying? But I have not shared my screen. You have to open your book, maths book. These questions you have to do in your book, not in your notebook. And don't raise your hand now. I will call your name. Okay. Yes, Archana. Rahul eats his dinner at 10:30. At what time you do dinner? Morning, 10:30 morning or 10:30 night? When do we do dinner? Archana, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Archana. Acha, you are not able to unmute. Wait. Okay, now unmute yourself.
Repeat the question.
Rahul eats his dinner at 10:30.
PM.
Good.
Ma'am,
Beta, you
PM.
have, children, you have to write answer in your book also. Open your book, page number 142. Now next.
Question number 3 answer.
Yes. Okay, now mute yourself, everyone. Dhruv. Dhruv, now you have to write the time. You have to write time also. Use AM or PM. First one is done for you. Now let me tell you how you have to do. Wait. And then I will ask question. 2 hours before 12 noon. So 12 noon means afternoon. Yes. So the time is class. Yes. 2 hours before 12 noon. So 12 noon before 12 noon होगा आपका 2 hours. First hour होगा 11, then 10. Back में जाना है backward. So the time is 10. And then you have to tell AM or PM. So it's AM. Before noon है, so noon से पहले it's AM. So next you will do, yes, Priyansh. 1 hour after 11:15 AM. 1 hour.
Quarter past.
1 hour after 11:15. So the time is, yes, 12:15. What you will write, AM or PM? Here it is.
PM. Ma'am, PM.
Yes.
Ma'am, PM.
Yes, PM. Yes. Is it clear to everyone how you have to do? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So question 3 you will complete in your book.
Okay.
Now your class is over. You can have your break. Thank you, class.